Welcome to a video by Abron. This is a friction apparatus, which is a generally glass plate or some mica top. This one is a glass plate, less friction. So this one is a sometimes trolley is wooden trolley, and this is some mica, less friction. And we have got the wooden 50-60 centimeter long with the 2 feet. You can put this on the table, and there is a one trolley with this pulley is there. You can hang thread and weight and put some weights here. So when this starts moving, you can decrease the weights or increase the weight so that it stops. So that's a friction where how much weight is needed to move this slide, and then this experiment is to be done as per your books. Very easy to perform. What you need is sometimes pen also. Another trolley is also needed. Some wooden scale can be used. It comes with the wooden scale also. There is another model, or you can use the external scale. This one is a weights. We can put these weights in the trolley or without weights, and then weights in the pan, so that movement can be checked with the what weight. This friction will not be there. So please visit the website, and this will send us an email. This is our email, and this one is our website, and this is my WhatsApp number 941602001. Please visit the website and subscribe to our channel and send us your order, and thank you very much.